Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by locating your policy number, start date, and any notice period in the policy documents. Read the policy sections about cancellation, refunds, and employer obligations. Confirm whether a 30-day notice, exit fee, or employer requirement applies to your policy before you proceed. Take clear screenshots or paper copies of your Emirates ID, passport, and the policy page for your records. Note any dependent names and their policy ID on the same copy. Keep digital backups in a secure folder for easy access. Call Daman customer service or your broker to request cancellation options and next steps. Explain whether your employer or you initiated the policy and give the policy number. Request a written cancellation form or prepare an email with policy number and your handwritten signature. Ask for an estimated pro rata refund and the expected 14-day processing time for refunds. Confirm any outstanding premiums or hold periods that could affect your refund. Get the representative's name and a reference number for follow-up. Send written notice by email or registered mail with policy number and a signed cancellation statement. Attach your Emirates ID copy, passport page, and any employer termination letter if applicable. Pay any outstanding premiums immediately to avoid coverage gaps and to allow correct refund calculations. Ask for a confirmation email that includes the cancellation date and refund amount. Expect a pro rata refund based on unused coverage days, processed within about 14 days. Save the confirmation and follow.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.